Okay, lesson number 4. So this is just kind of a wrap up of a few things that are left on the Padlet that you can use. Okay, you can make it your favorites by liking it. If you find someone else's that's a public one, you can do the same thing. You can remake it, like it just copies the whole thing. Here you can share it. So when I click on this, we've already done the people in privacy, and of course we can add some more people to it right here. If you go to share, export, and embed, it will give you the QR code that we talked about earlier that someone can scan. You can print the code. And if you have an iPhone, you know that the camera is a QR code scanner. You don't need an app for that anymore. So copy the link, embed it into a blog website. Email it, share it on Twitter. You may have like a professional learning network you want to share it on. And then, of course, save it in all different methods. Okay, let's close out of there. Okay, here is your modify button. If you want to change the name, description, wallpaper, theme, anything like that, we'll come right back here. Okay, 3 little dots. This kind of has a lot of the same stuff with the remakes and the likes and inviting and share. Okay. Okay, so that's pretty much it. There are more things you can add, but we're not going to go through them all. You'll just play with it when you work on your own, get used to it. So when you get to lesson 5, that lesson is just about creating your own and adding stuff to it, sharing it with others, and things like that. So over here, when you're ready to log out, click on your accounts and click log out.